Hello, you're welcome to Asusu Igbo Fair, the platform where we'll learn how to communicate in Igbo. My name is Chiamaka Azuwinge. I'm the CEO of Evolving Gems. We embarked on this journey because we have children, we have teenagers, we have adults who would wish to communicate with their friends and counterparts in Igbo but are unable to, and that makes them feel uncomfortable and less confident. And so we want to boost our confidence level so that we'll be able to speak confidently wherever we are. Okay, so are you here and you can't speak at all, or you could understand and can't speak, or you can't even understand? There's no need to worry. We're going to start from the scratch and then we'll build it up. And it's going to be fun, trust me. Okay, so for this month of June, we have 3 modules, and each modules have lessons, and the lessons have videos that will be sent out to you. Okay, so we're going to start with talking about the home, because every individual came from a home. So we're going to start with discussion. We're going to start with identifying members of the home, what they are called in Igbo, whether you come from a nuclear family, from an extended family. We're going to identify what they are called in Igbo. We also have some specific roles in the home, like the first son, the last son, and all that. We're going to know what they are called in Igbo. We are also going to learn greetings in Igbo and responses so that you apply the right response to a greeting. We're also going to learn about pleasantries and the responses to give to particular pleasantries. We are also going to teach you how to identify yourself and introduce yourself. We're also going to teach you how to explain and introduce a member of your family. All this packaged for the month of June. Before I forget, I'm a fun-loving person, and so we added some songs and some Igbo adages in between to make it fun. So do not miss this class for anything. All right, so you're welcome to the class. Videos will be released to you, emails will be sent as well, prompts will be sent so that you keep in touch with the class. Every weekend, a Zoom class will be arranged where we hear you and we have that interaction with you and know where you need help and where you need to be encouraged. Okay, so I encourage you to open your mind, open your thoughts, and please always speak Igbo. It may sound gibberish in the beginning, but the secret to being fluent in a language is by speaking it as regularly as possible. All right? So I indulge you to always speak whatever you have learned. All right, at this note, I wish you a beautiful experience. Have a great day. See you in class. Bye.